Hello everyone, this is Suchishmita. I'm from Skyy Rider Institution. Here we have Subin Saji, who has enrolled for our courses for automotive designing and manufacturing. And he is here to share his valuable feedback with us today. So, hello Subin. So,
Hi, ma'am.
how did you come to know about Skyy Rider Institutions?
Hi, I'm Subin Saji. I'm from Kerala. Actually, I recently came about the Skyy Rider Institution from actually your Instagram pages. Actually, I was finding I am in search of so many courses in online actually, and actually I finally choose Skyy Rider from among from that. Since I am finding time for learning a specific design course, and I shortlisted so many courses, and finally I found Skyy Rider is my right course.
Understood. So you are a working professional, you are a teacher. So
Yes, ma'am.
why did you join a job leading program?
Actually, I was working before in 2018 and 19. Actually, I was working in automotive industry. I'm actually a certified quality engineer from Omnex Academy, Chennai. I worked in around two companies in Chennai region during that point of time. And actually, I want to shift my career from the quality field to a designing field at that point of time. And I didn't know how to do that at that point of time. At that point, then right now, actually, I am finding time to learn a course. So that's why I joined Skyy Rider.
Understood. So you're joining our online courses. So are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
satisfied with the training program, or do you face any difficulties with the online program?
No, ma'am. I'm satisfied with the program. My expectations actually they are met with the course design. The curriculum is so nice, so that I'm also able to look. I'm finding time to watch the classes. Also, if I missed any classes, also the recordings are there. Proper recordings are there in mails, so I can watch them after. If I'm busy, also, if I have a hectic schedule on particular day, I will watch at another. When I am free, I will watch that class.
Understood.
That's
So
very
that's
helpful for
why
me.
for the working professionals as our students, that's why we have kept this as a recorded session, so that even if they are on opting for online and they are working, so that they could
Yeah.
attend they could see the recorded sessions, right? So did
Yes,
we
ma'am.
meet up to your expectations with the training program?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Also, actually the trainers are actually very skilled persons. They are very skilled. If I asked any doubts, also they will clear that's at that point of time itself. So the course is fine. Curriculum is fine. I'm actually finding time to attend the class. It's fine, man. Everything is fine.
Understood. So how did this training program help you to gain skills and industrial knowledge, being a quality engineer before?
Actually, so far, though, most of the basic engineering classes, drawing classes have started. It's been 1 week. Just the introduction has been going on. Then regarding on EV classes, we are getting on EV hybrid class along with this same course. So actually, every topics covered are actually industry relevant topics. I know I have worked in automotive industry before, so I can understand that these whatever they are learning, many of the topics are new to me, and I know this course is helping me to actually these are a very relevant topic only. Everything taught is very relevant to the industry itself.
Understood. So, how would you recommend to other working professionals or students who want to opt for job leading programs?
Okay, ma'am. I will definitely recommend this to students as well as working professionals to join this postgraduate program in automotive design and manufacturing course. I will definitely recommend this to ma'am, because this is actually it's very industrial relevant course. It's designed in such a way that the curriculum is very updated, and actually everything is very relevant to the industry. I will definitely recommend this to working professionals as well as students.
Understood. So yes, we are trying to enhance our courses on a daily basis so that it is industrially relevant as well as the trends going on. So we try to keep it according to the trend or the industry standards. So any messages you want to convey to all the students or working professionals out there who want to upskill themselves?
Okay. Actually, this is their best chance to if someone want to join a designing field. This is the best course which is available in the market right now. This is the best institution. I shortlisted this institution from a group of many institutions. So the topics are all covered are actually industry relevant, and I will definitely recommend this to students as well as working professionals.
Understood.
Also my best wishes to all my batchmates. Their dream come true one day after joining this course, man.
Thank you so much, and all the best to you too as well for your career. So yes, we are working towards enhancing all the skills, not only automotive designing and manufacturing, but all the skill development domains or programs we have here. So thank you so much, Subin, for joining us today and sharing your valuable feedback with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.